This 2016 Dutchman Voltage V3305 triple slide, rear 12 feet cargo area is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 7, TV, Skylight, air conditioning, Slideout, Awning, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Dutchman Voltage V3305 triple slide, rear 12 feet cargo area is 13,164 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.